Another snowstorm. It's just like the last.
Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! Bathroom somewhere here. What? Is there a bathroom? We're gonna go to the Porsche driver of Drift HQ, and they invited me for a ride along, so hopefully we can still go on the ride along. So. Hey yo!
2 hours later.
That's good.
That's good? Okay, cool.
We'll have a nice saucy laugh.
Alright, cool. Are you guys ready?
Let's go. It's just one extra.
Alright, cool.
Go full wide. Oh, that's perfect, dude. Hell yeah.
I'll try my best to hold it.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Alright, cool guys. So we're here with Drift HQ with the party Porsche. This is the coolest party car I've ever seen in my life.
Same, bro.
Thank you so much for putting me in a ride along.
Thank you for riding.
It's a pleasure.
I haven't drifted this car this fast yet. Like, this is like, I was doing 2nd gear skid pad. This is 3rd gear skid pad, chasing doors. I was only doing solo laps before, but now they want tandem. They want you to.
Oh, so yeah, we're getting spicy. Oh, yeah. All right.
Why is it spicy?
Oh, wow, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Wow, you guys going fast. I'm kind of nervous. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, can I party with you? Let me go behind you. They look like they party.
This car's phenomenal!
Yeah, it's really good.
Well, I was not expecting that whatsoever. This thing is light on its toes. Like, you do a great job driving this thing.
Yeah,
seriously.
it took a little bit like to pump up the adrenaline. I haven't slept in 2 days, like legit.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you, dude. That was freaking sick. That was fun. That was a really good lap.
No, that was a solid lap. You're a great driver. Seriously.
No, it's all an accident. Happy little accidents. Happy little
We
accidents.
don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents. And just beat the devil out of it.
Okay. Hey, Chalk. So I'm actually with the owner of Drift HQ right now in this BMW. So this is for you guys, right? So hope you guys see it, right? Dude, this is crazy. Okay, let's go. Show him that S55 power now. Oh yeah. The Porsche car was awesome. I love that car. Did you ride in it? Yes, just now. It was beautiful. I really appreciate you guys. You're being so friendly. The hospitality. Thank you for letting me do reviews on your car. Let's have fun. I love it. I know, seriously. You can't tell me twice. Whoa. So behind me is Chelsea. You met Chelsea, right?
You're gonna go in pretty much twice as fast as you think you really need to go.
Let's go! Look at Chelsea Denofa!
All the way to the end of the day. Throttle through here. If you lift through here, I'm splitting your car in half.
Oh, Chelsea! Woo! Doctor, are you kidding me? Look at that! To the moon! Yeah! The winner is Chelsea Denofa!
I thought I recognized him. I was like, he looks so familiar. Even though it's a 4-car thing, I'm pretty sure he's gonna come out. Oh, you think so? Gonna make it a 5-car thing. So now, I'm actually gonna follow him, which is a really, really good driver. He's a professional Canadian. I was gonna say, no, you guys. 5, did you hear that thing? There you go! Yes, he's crazy. He's a crazy driver. When I was after I did the video with him, and I was walking down, I saw him. I waved, and he's like, rah, 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 rah. So we gotta keep it crispy now. Oh yeah. You don't want to spin out in front of him. No, not at all. He is gonna be on your fucking door. You wait. That boy is gonna appear there out of nowhere. Really? Let's do this. Oh yeah. That was sick, I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful! We were on it. Oh my, dude, you guys are crazy! It got a bit sketchy at the end there because you saw my tires are almost done. Yeah, but you got it. Woo, my legs are numb, bro. I was gonna say, how you feeling? You're pumping it, bro. Yeah, no, you guys are going crazy out there. Nobody's ever been that pumped in a car. Usually everyone's quiet. Are you kidding, dude? I love this stuff. Like, to me, I live for this. This is my kind of party. I mean, come on, you guys are driving so awesome. I can't help myself, you know? You're a phenomenal driver. Thank you, bro. I'm learning. You're learning? No, let's stop it. Bro, you're so good. Super aggressive. I only tell people this at the end. I don't see good at night, by the way. So after I've given them the ride along, then I'll be like, so they're not scared of their life, you know? No, of course not. Everything is muscle memory. No, honestly, I saw that. You're an excellent driver. Thank you for so much for putting me in the seat. No problem, dude. Right, seriously, you guys are awesome. Like, the hospitality is beyond amazing, right? Oh, man.
watching.
Found the hat!